Good morning, class. Today we will study about error and its types. Okay, we have studied in previous lecture that what is accuracy and precision and the difference which comes in accuracy and precision. That is when we are having the true value and the observed value, and if there is a difference in those values, then this is known as error. And let us see its types. So there are three types: systematic error, least count error, and random error. I will explain it one by one. Systematic error is the error which comes due to instrument what we are using, or any type of machines which we are using to calculate or measure any quantity, and if there is problem in that machine or the instrument, then the error arises is known as systematic error. So first part of systematic error is instrumental error. And instrumental error, like a calibration of instrument, means we are measuring or taking a reading and the calibration is not good. Means if we are taking an example of weighing machine, we are putting 1 kg weight and it is telling 1.2 kg. So this 200 gram is what? Error, and this is due to calibration. Next is procedural error, means imperfection in technique to the procedure what we are applying. Like if we have to measure the temperature, so we must keep the thermometer beneath the tongue or in the armpit, but we are placing it between the fingers to take the temperature of the body, then this is not a perfect technique to measure the temperature of the body, so we'll get a wrong result. Next one is personal error, like if we are having problem in our eyes and we are taking the reading, so due to the problem in our eyes we are getting error. So this is personal, this is related to the person who is doing the experiment. He is having some problem, he or she may having some problem, and that type of error we used to say is parallax. These all things you will get detailed in practical labs, these types of error and how we are using the errors. Okay, next one is least count error. Least count error, least count. What is least count? The minimum value which we can measure from an instrument is known as least count. So if we are getting an error in least count, like the instrument markings are not correct, so we are getting different least count for the same instrument, so then we are getting least count error. And what are random errors? The random errors which come at a random situation, means suddenly we don't know that this type of error is going to arise and we are getting the error. Like we are performing experiment in our lab and we get a power cut, so we are getting the error. This power cut does not depend on either instrument or on myself or the person who is doing the experiment, so this is random. That is not previously declared that this type of error can arise in your experimental activity. Okay, and next for calculation we are having three types of error: absolute, relative, and percentage. For these three errors, that is absolute, relative, and percentage, I will make a separate video because this is a calculation part for error and this is the theoretical part for error. Okay, so if you are having any doubt, you can ask. Thank you.